This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6T versus the iPhone XR. Now the 6T, this one is the 8GB of RAM variant. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the XR. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the Messages app. 6T, camera. Very close. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch and leave that running. Chrome and Safari, let's go. Search for GSM Arena on this. Go. A little bit faster on the 6T. Scroll through this and go to the desktop version. Go. A little bit faster on the left. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the XR. Same thing on the 6T. Calculator on both. Let me know in the comments. Play Store and App Store. Click on an app. Leave it there. Amazon. A little bit faster on the 6. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Faster on the 6T again. Click on this laptop. Super Mario Run. Loading on the 6T. And give this to the OnePlus. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the XR actually running the game. Temple Run 2. Spirit's Cove. Looks like the OnePlus 6T is ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And give this to the 6T. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the 6T. Will the XR catch it? Ooh, looks like the 6T is ahead. And give this to the OnePlus 6T. So you can see, Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legend. Ooh, and give this to the 6T again. So you can see, tap to play. And we'll just leave it here. PUBG, let's go. Looks like the XR is out in front. Loading on the XR, so you can see with the progress bar. And give this to the iPhone. So you can see. San Andreas. Let's go. OnePlus 6T, way out in front. Give this to the OnePlus so you can see. Twitter on both. OnePlus. Instagram. OnePlus again. Snapchat. OnePlus. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. If I can get the OnePlus to do that, so you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Starting with IG. Good to go. Twitter. Good to go on both. San Andreas, still in RAM. PUBG, still in RAM on both. Asphalt 9. Good to go. Angry Birds 2, still in RAM. Temple Run 2, still in RAM. Mario Run, good to go. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store and App Store, same place on both. Calculator, there you go. The browsers, still on GSM Arena. Clock, stopwatch still running in the background. The camera, you guys are the judges. And the Messages app, I think the 10R reloaded that one, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. For all you folks looking to save a little bit of cash, looking for a device with better bang for buck, are you gonna go with the iPhone 10R or something like the OnePlus 6T? iPhone 10R comes with a low resolution notch display, no fast charging in the box. However, this device is greatly optimized and the smart HDR in the camera is pretty good. Or are you gonna go with the OnePlus 6T? This phone comes with pretty good specs for a decent price, has a very pleasing teardrop notch, which in my opinion is the best implementation of a notch on a phone of late, has a pretty cool in-display fingerprint scanner, and overall is a very fast and fluid device. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.